You paid for a waterproofing system. What you got was a plastic trench, an inch of concrete, and a false sense of security. Most companies install shallow systems above the footing. Quick installs, low labor, and easy profit. But they miss the water. They rely on cleanout ports because they clog. They crack fast because they're covered with thin, cheap concrete. And when the next big storm hits, they fail.
I'm Peter O'Shea, owner of American Dry Basement Systems. Our Super Dry system will make your basement the driest basement possible.
We do it the right way. Our system runs deep around the footing with one continuous pipe that wraps the entire basement. No breaks, no shortcuts. It flows under obstructions, handles heavy surges, and sends water where it belongs, out. Our pipe is flexible, industrial grade, and self-cleaning. It's designed to last a lifetime. Competitor channels rigid plastic that breaks, backs up, and can't handle real water volume. Other companies pour thin concrete that flakes apart. We rebuild the floor with SuperCrete, a proprietary mix that chemically bonds to the old slab. Inside, a crystalline compound grows into your foundation floor, mending them together, restoring strength, and dramatically slowing down aging. With engineering tabs set along the trench, the slab is reinforced at key points. You can walk on it in 24 hours. In 30 days, it's cured, stronger than ever. Our waffle board bridges the footer and climbs 6 to 8 inches up the wall, capturing seepage from the cove joint before it ever hits your floor. Once sealed with our code-compliant thick SuperCrete, just 2 to 4 inches remain exposed. We replace these failed systems every month. What looked clean on day one turns into a mess in a year or two. Cracks, mold, flooding. They weren't built to last, and they didn't. Our drainage system is maintenance-free. No cleanouts, no service plans, just a one-time installation that solves the problem at its source.
And I'm very confident that the water problem that I've had over the last 10 or 15 years is going to be resolved.
The pipe is built to never clog. The SuperCrete seals everything tight. The result, a dry, finish-ready basement and peace of mind.
It's been perfect ever since. We've had no problems with water, not even a little bit.
Don't settle for patch jobs or marketing gimmicks. This is your home. Get it done right the first time.
Call American Dry Basement Systems. We're just better.